Welcome to Vedajanani, Saundarya Lahari, Shloka number 34. Shariram Tvam Shambhoho Shashimihira Vakshoruha Yugam Tavatmanam Manye Bhagavati Navatmana Managham Shariram Tvam Shambhoho Shashimihira Vakshoruha Yugam Tavatmanam Manye Bhagavati Navatmana Managham Atasheshash Sheshi Tyaya Mubhaya Sadharanataya. The third line is a single word. Atasheshash Sheshi Tyaya Mubhaya Sadharanataya Sthitas Sambandho Vam Samarasa Parananda Parayoho Atasheshasheshi Mubhaya Sadharanataya Sthitas Sambandho Vam Samarasa Parananda Parayoho Shariram Tvam Shambhoho Shashimihira Vakshoruhayugam Tavatmanam Manye Bhagavati Navatmana Managham Atasheshasheshi Mubhaya Sadharanataya Sthitas Sambandho Vam Samarasa Parananda Parayoho. Bhagavati, your appearances is as the body of Shiva. Shariram Tvam Shambhoho, with your twin bosoms as sun and moon. Shashimihira Vakshoruha Yugam. So you are as a sinless Shiva, that is, no dosha and a pure form of Shiva. So both your bodies are common, characteristics are common, Ubhaya Sadharanataya, and both of you remain in the state of overwhelmed interdependency, resulting in blissful state, that is Ananda Bhairava and Ananda Bhairavi, Samarasa Parananda Parayoho. In this shloka, Acharya contemplates as Shiva gets the vision of Shakti. Shiva is pure light and Shakti reflects his light. He is Prakasha and she is Vimarsha. There is no difference between them. They are not different energies but one. This shloka removes the gap between husband and wife and gives a strong bond. Now let's chant the shloka. Shariram Tvam Shambhoho Shashimihira Vakshoruhayugam Tavatmanam Manye Bhagavati Navatmanamanagham Atasheshasheshi Sadharanataya Sthitas Sambandho Vam Samarasa Parananda Parayoho Shariram Tvam Shambhoho Shashimihira Vakshoruhayugam Tavatmanam Manye Bhagavati Navatmanamanagham Atasheshasheshi Mubhaya Sadharanataya Sthitas Sambandho Vam Samarasa Parananda Parayoho. Let's chant in the second speed. Shariram Tvam Shambhoho शशिमिहिरवक्षोरुहयुगम् तवात्मानं मन्ये भगवति नवात्मानमनघम् अतः शेषशेषीत्ययमुभयसाधारणतया स्थितः सम्बन्धो वां समरसपरानन्दपरयोः. I request you to subscribe to Veda Janani and hit a like and share with your family and friends.